Hi, welcome to your bonus project. We're going to make napkins, and I want you to take a 17-inch by 17-inch piece of fabric, get some pins, your sewing ruler, your ironing board, sorry about that, you're going to need that, and your iron. What we're going to do is I want you to fold over your fabric to the 1/2 inch mark. So do that. And then iron all the way along the edge. Usually when you do the one side, it's not hard to figure out to go to the end. Because basically what you want to do is you want to take in a total of 1 inch, so your square is approximately 16 inches by 16 inches. Okay, now fold over again. Careful, it gets a little warm. In preparation for sewing it, you're going to want to sew it right side up, which I know isn't the norm. So you're going to need to pin your fabric. Do your corners first, or at least the top two anyways. Then you do that. And there you have it. It is ready to sew. Okay, by some virtue of a miracle, I finally got my sewing machine to work properly. It is a little loud. I do apologize. Yes, it's been updated and lubricated and everything else like that. So what I'm going to do is try to make sure you have a thread that's close to the matching color of the fabric. It'll just simply make it easier for you to hide any mistakes, so you do not have to be perfect in your hemming. Start at the top corner, let's say a quarter of an inch down, and then you start sewing. Remember to reverse, and away you go. Okay, when you get to your corner, you want to go and end at the same length that you started, but keep your needle, the trick is keep your needle in the fabric, lift up the presser foot, and do your turn to start on the rest of the hem on that side. Okay, when you get to the end, remember back stitch, forward, and you're done. Hi there. Now the last part of this particular step is you want to cut off the extra threads. This is where I wish I had my own cameraman. Then you go back with your iron and you fold in half. Iron it. Fold in half again. And there, you're done. And trust me, once I got my sewing machine figured out, it didn't take me nearly as long as it normally does. And now you have your stack of napkins.